Saudi Arabia keeps announcing new mega projects. Now comes Mukaab, a cube-shaped building reminiscent of Kaaba, Islam's holy site. Read all about the Cube complex and the new city centre for Riyadh, New Murabba, here. The Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia has many big plans. In addition to the line, a 170-kilometre-long ribbon city, there is now to be a cube city in the middle of Riyadh. This skyscraper, in the shape of a cube called Mukaab, is supposed to open the gateway to a utopian new world. Underwater landscapes, virtual trips to Mars, holiday destinations, flats and office space will be located in the gigantic cube. For this project, Riyadh, the capital of Saudi Arabia with 7.6 million inhabitants, will be expanded by 19 square kilometers. New Murabba is the name of the new district, which means new place. The project will provide a home for hundreds of thousands of people. The cube is at the center. The planned dimensions, 400 meters in height, width, and depth. According to Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, that is enough volume to fit 20 Empire State Buildings. The shape of the building is striking, as it is strongly reminiscent of the Kaaba in Mecca. This is the most important sanctuary in Islam. There are 800 kilometers between Mukaab and Kaaba as the crow flies. However, the new centerpiece of Riyadh is mainly intended to attract tourists. Saudi Arabia wants to reduce its dependence on oil and improve its image. The mega building will include, among other things, a technology and design university, as well as cultural and entertainment venues. The new city centre will be located at the intersection of King Salman Street and King Khalid Street in northwest Riyadh. It will offer a living, working and entertainment experience within a 15-minute walking radius. It is about 20 minutes by car to Riyadh Airport. A dedicated transport system around New Murabba and a large green space with walking and cycling paths will improve the quality of life. The rich people who can afford a flat in the Cube complex will benefit most from this. Community and recreational facilities, theatres, museums, office and residential space, and up to 9,000 hotel rooms are also planned next to and in the Mukaab Cube. As a city centre, New Murabba will cover an area of 19 square kilometres and offer over 25 million square metres of floor space. Hundreds of thousands of residents will be accommodated in the sustainable urban district. Over 330,000 new direct and indirect jobs will be created. Currently, New Murabba is scheduled for completion in 2030. Together with other utopian buildings, the project is part of Saudi Vision 2030. The Cube is scheduled to open in just 7 years. According to the Crown Prince, it will be the largest modern city centre in the world. He has founded the New Murabba Development Company to finance and implement the project. This subsidiary of the PF, Public Investment Fund, belongs to the Crown Prince and is financed from his assets. According to the Crown Prince, the Mukaab building will be equipped with the latest innovative technologies, making it a unique experience. With a footprint of 2 million square meters, the aim is to ensure optimal use of space. This includes, among other things, an immersive experience inside. Apparently, this will consist of digital and virtual technology with the latest holography. Details of this mysterious announcement are still unclear. At the heart of the Cube will be a spiral tower hospitality destination. It will be home to retail, cultural and tourist attractions. Also, residential and hotel units, commercial space and leisure facilities are planned. The exterior of the building will serve as a shell for a dome, which in turn will be a shell for the Helter-Skelter Tower. Scenes will be projected onto the walls of the dome to create an experience for visitors inside the Cube. The modern Najdi architectural style is used for the new icon in the heart of Riyadh. This includes yellowish and orange tones, as in the desert, fine geometric motifs, and homages to the rich Islamic history of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. The aim is to convey the traditional look of Arab residential buildings. Yet the Mukaab Cube is many orders of magnitude larger. There will also be a garden at the top of the cube. The press material for New Murabba emphasizes the sustainability of Riyadh's new city centre. This includes green spaces and pedestrian and cycle paths, as well as ideas of the 15-minute city. According to this idea, residents should be able to reach all amenities within a 15-minute walking radius. Exactly how the new city centre will interact with the rest of Riyadh and replace the current city centre is not yet clear. Nor is it clear who will populate New Murabba and what price range to expect for the flats. Similar to the line, it can be assumed that this project, with its high-tech cube, is mainly aimed at the wealthy classes and affluent tourists. At the core of the Cube project lies a commitment to embracing advanced technologies for a smarter, more sustainable future. Smart infrastructure, energy-efficient systems, and the integration of renewable energy sources contribute to the project's eco-friendly footprint. The Cube is not merely a physical space, it's a living, breathing example of how technology can be harnessed to build a sustainable urban environment. Beyond its architectural and technological prowess, the Cube project places a strong emphasis on community integration. The development features a well-thought-out mix of residential, commercial, and recreational spaces, fostering a sense of belonging among its future inhabitants. Interviews with potential residents highlight the anticipation and excitement surrounding the prospect of living in a community that prioritizes sustainability and quality of life. The Cube project aligns seamlessly with Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030, a comprehensive plan aimed at diversifying the economy and reducing the nation's dependence on oil. Government officials stress the strategic importance of such projects in achieving the broader goals of economic development, job creation, and environmental sustainability outlined in the Vision 2030 framework. A key pillar of the Cube project is its commitment to environmental sustainability. Green spaces, efficient waste management systems, and water conservation initiatives underscore the developers' dedication to minimizing the project's ecological impact. The Cube serves as a model for future developments, showcasing that progress and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. As construction progresses, the Cube project reaches significant milestones. Time-lapse footage captures the evolution of the site, showcasing the dedication and collaboration of the diverse teams involved. Interviews with project leaders provide insights into the challenges overcome and the transformative impact anticipated upon completion. The Cube project in Saudi Arabia is more than just an architectural marvel. It is a symbol of the nation's commitment to sustainable development and technological innovation. As the Cube rises against the Saudi skyline, it not only shapes the physical landscape, but also charts a course towards a future where tradition and progress coexist harmoniously. Saudi Arabia's Cube project stands as a beacon of inspiration for the world, demonstrating that the cities of tomorrow can be both modern and mindful of their environmental impact.